Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Power BI. Tables are one of the most fundamental ways to display your data clearly, making it easy to view multiple columns of information at once. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your Power BI application. Once you're in, take a look at the right side of your screen. You'll notice a panel labeled Visualization. This is where all your chart and table options live, and it's the control center for how you want your data to appear visually. Within the visualization panel, find and click on the table icon. It usually looks like a simple grid with rows and columns. Clicking this will instantly add a blank table to your canvas. Don't worry if it looks a bit small at first. You can easily resize it by dragging any corner of the table. Just click and hold on one of the corners. Then drag it outward to make it larger or inward to make it smaller. This gives you full control over how much space your table takes up on the page. Now that your table is in place, it's time to add some data to it. On the right side of your screen, you'll see another panel labeled Data. This is where all your available fields are stored, and you can drag them directly into your table to populate it with the information you need. For example, let's say you want to add a date field. Simply find the date option in the data panel, click on it, and drag it over to the columns section of your table. This will add the date column to your table, and you'll immediately see the data populate. Next, let's add another field. Find country in the data panel and drag it under date in the columns section. This stacks your fields vertically, so now your table will display both date and country side by side. You're building out your table column by column, and each one adds a new layer of detail. Now let's add a bit more. Drag the sales field from the data panel into the columns section. This will add a sales column to your table, showing you numerical data alongside your date and country information. Then drag the profit field in as well. Now your table is starting to look complete, with multiple dimensions and metrics displayed together. One last thing you might want to adjust is the column width. If any of your columns feel too narrow or too wide, you can easily fix that. Just hover over the edge of any column header until your cursor changes to a resize icon, then click and drag it to the left or right. This lets you fine-tune how much space each column takes up, ensuring everything is readable and well organized. And that's it. Now you have a fully functional table in Power BI. You've successfully added multiple fields, resized your table, and adjusted the column widths to fit your needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.